Welcome to this tutorial on how to clock in using Workday Mobile. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with the necessary information to efficiently use the Workday Mobile application. First, ensure you have downloaded and installed the Workday Mobile application on your device. Once installed, open the application and log in using your Workday credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Time and Attendance section. This section may be located in the main menu or under a separate tab, depending on your organization's configuration. Once you are in the Time and Attendance section, look for the option to clock in. This is usually represented by a button or an icon with the words Clock In or Start Work. Tap on the Clock In button to initiate the clocking process. You may be prompted to select your work location or job code, depending on your organization's requirements. Select the correct location and job code, then confirm your selection. The application will then record your clock in time and display it on the screen. It is essential to note that the Workday mobile application uses your device's location services to verify your location. Ensure that your device's location services are enabled to avoid any issues with clocking in. Best practices recommend that you clock in at the start of your shift and clock out at the end of your shift to ensure accurate time tracking. It is also crucial to regularly review your time entries to ensure they are accurate and up to date. In conclusion, clocking in using Workday Mobile is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the instructions outlined in this tutorial, you can efficiently use the Workday Mobile application to manage your time and attendance.